I do need some votes. Do you guys want to do the left four or the right four tonight? Which one are we going for tonight? Let me know. Aaron is voting left. All right. Going once. Going twice. Sold. We are going left. All right, guys. Best of luck here. And Chronicles baseball next up. Plates and patches, and then after plates and patches, we will be heading into a fresh case on Bowman's Best. Alrighty. Oh. Let's get the trash can closer to everything. And there's the empty box. Good luck, guys. And a beautiful Friday night, February 16th. Let's rock. All right. Now we got to hit first pack. First hit of the night. Gary Sanchez, 15 of 99 for the Yankees. What up, another time? Haven't seen you in a hot minute, buddy. There we go. 15.99. Gary Sanchez. Slugger has a September he'll remember. That is game used for the Yankees. First hit of the night. This is a perfect thing right now, so we don't have to adjust all night. Still picking up the back. There it goes. We have Nolan Ryan, Jason Kipnis, Mr. Verlander, and Chris Davis base. Move that to the side. I think that's how I normally have it. Brian Dozier kicking off this pack, guys. Dinelson Lamet, rated rookie. And we got a red. David Dahl red, 22 of 25 for the Colorado Rockies rookie. Bryant Max Scherzer. How's your week then, Miller Time? We got Posey, Mickey Mantle. Purple, Chris Archer for the Tampa Bay Rays out of 99. Trey Turner and Solarte. Miguel Sano. Jacoby Jones, rated rookie. And Christopher Bryant out of 999 for the Cubs. Javi Baez, Michael Trout. Got a hit here, I can see it. Hunter Renfroe, San Diego Padres. On-card autograph patch out of Spectra for the San Diego Padres. 59 of 99. McCutchen, Ripken, Machado, Arenado. Justin Smoke, Austin Slater out of Prism. And our number dude, Eddie Encarnacion out of 999 for the Cleveland Indians. Greinke and Jose Bautista. Joey Bats. Roger Clemens, Trey, the Great Mancini. Out of 399. A $3.99 for the Reds. Jesse Winker, rookie. Franny Lindor, Marcell Ozuna. Posey out of $3.99, blue. Justin Bohr, Eddie Encarnacion. Got great news today from. Got great news today. The Machado, Arenado, and T Hollow Gold book shipped. Ooh, was that a one of one? I don't remember. I remember hitting it. I just don't remember if we. I know we looked it up, and I don't remember, but I thought it was either super low numbered or a one of one. I don't remember. Goldschmidt, Luis Brinson. I think it might have been like out of 5. Super low print run, I know. Chris Bryant out of 10. Okay, that's what it was, out of 10. That was dual auto, dual patch. Out of $2.99, Chris Bryant for the Cubbies. Teal, Harper, and Carpenter. Or was it just dual auto? Ah, we got redemption. Dual auto, dual patch, awesome. Yu Darvish, Garrett Cole, Pujols, and Joe Mauer. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Don Russ, maybe not. Don Russ auto, I'm going to guess Rougned Odor. And I guess correct. Don Russ Signature Series autograph of Rougned Odor for the Texas Rangers. Rangers picking one up. Green Jordan Montgomery Green Power refractor for the Yankees. Out of 49. Gimel, Rizzo, Moustakas, Trey Mancini. DeGrom. We're going to have a Colorado Rocky. Who's it going to be? David Dahl? David Dahl, playoff ticket. 62 of 99. Contenders autograph for the Colorado Rockies. Nice rookie hit. Andrews, Davidson, Duvall. Signature dual material. Got it. Hopefully it's 6 patches. Like the bird and then Rockies. I guess you could get the Giants letters. Evan Longoria, Justin Smoke, blue. Max Scherzer out of 399 for the Washington Nationals. Zimmerman, Miguel Cabrera. And Bowman's Best, fresh case tonight, guys. Make sure to get in on that. Bowman's Best. Yoan Moncada, jersey, 37 out of 499 for the Chicago White Sox. A winning state of mind for Chicago infielder. This player worn red, yep. Rookie patch. Greinke, Bautista, Calhoun, and Mr. Henderson. Okay, awesome. Yeah, then I can grab a picture of it, too. Lorenzo Cain, Matt Olson, rated rookie. Orlando Arcia out of 399 for the Brewers rookie. Nolan Ryan and Mr. Jason Kiffin. Hunter Pence, Clayton Kershaw. I think we got another red. We did. Joey Votto for the Reds. Red. 7 of 25. Never hit these Reds. Chris Bryant, Scherzer. That's one. I only ever hit a one of these. I've done a lot of this product. Corey Kluber, Josh Hader. Out of 999, Mark Reynolds for the Colorado Rockies. Come on, focus. Stop. There we go. Pujols, Joe Mauer. We got a Contenders auto. Looks like maybe Red Sox. Freddie Freeman, Mr. Reynolds, and it looks like a cracked ice. It is a Red Sox. It is not Benintendi, though. Sam Travis, cracked ice, Contenders, rookie ticket, 22 of 24. Red Sox getting a nice one. Baez, Trout, Reynolds. Wish it was Benintendi, but I'm sure they will take that one. George Brett, Prism, back to back. And Mr. Ian Happ, out of $2.99 for the Chicago Cubbies. Dickerson, Mr. Fowler. Looks like an orange. Yep. The Harper, out of $3.99 for the Nationals. Orange refracting. Trey Turner, Solarte, Griffey Jr., and Ryan Zimmerman. We got Felix, Joey Gallo. We got Redemption. Harper's behind it with Matt Carpenter. We're going to use Harper. All right. It is a Chronicles autograph. Chronicles autograph. Is it card number 1? No, it's going to be Orlando Arcia then. Yes, sir. For the Bears! Orlando Arcia, Chronicles autograph for the Brew Crew. Looks like a, yep. Blue Wave, Luis Brinson for the Milwaukee Brewers. Out of $1.99. Rookie. Justin Bork, Carcion, Verlander, and Jermaine Marquez. Gonna be a Prism auto. Camo Prism auto. Luis Brinson for the Milwaukee Brewers. He is on the Marlins now, but nice hit. 14 of only 15. Camo Refractor auto, Luis Brinson for the Milwaukee Brewers. Dang. Got Brinson and Arcia. Gamel, Rizzo, Davis, Dozier. Sandberg, Mr. Posey, Ozzy. Benintendi, rookie out of $4.99 for the Boston Red Sox. McCutchen and Ripken. There you go, Justin. I got a refractor of Harper, but I need a little bit lower number than 399. Ken Griffey Jr. Ryan Zimmerman. Ben Gamel out of $9.99 for the Seattle Mariners. Trey Turner, Solarte. There's a lot of Nationals. What is this? Jersey? Yep, jersey. Josh Bell for the Pittsburgh Pirates out of $4.99. Jersey patch. Nearly pedaling his way to a cycle. He is player used for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Bryce Harper, Carpenter, Felix, Joey Gallo. Hope you are having a great, what is it, Friday? I don't keep track of days because I have to work them all. Friday evening, Justin. I hope you are having a good Friday evening. Kluber, rated rookie of Mr. Josh Hader. Out of $1.99, green parallel for the Yankees. Jordan Montgomery. Pujols, Joe Mauer. Freddie Freeman, Mr. Reynolds. And Cal Ripken out of $3.99. Baltimore. Javi Baez, Mike Trout. Oh, this looks, what is this? It's called Red Crystals, but I think I always call it Cracked Ice. Cracked Ice, Dansby Swanson for the Atlanta Braves. Really, it should be labeled Red Crystals. 31 of 75. That's a nice one. Andrew McCutchen, Cal Ripken, Sandberg, Buster Posey. We got Garrett Cole. Oh, we got it backwards, dude. Yep, gold, press proof, Renato Nunez. 29 of 99 for the Oakland Athletics. Eric Thames, Salvador Perez, Brock Stewart. This is going to have something. It's gigantic. What do we got? Take that base card off. This way? Yes. My boy, Mitch Haney. M. Haniger. 56 of 99. Rookie Premier Triple Patch Auto. Seattle. Taking out a big one. Rookie Premier. Jake Lamb. Kemp. Darvish. Miguel Sano. Justin Verlander, Germain Marquez, and Mr. Josh Harrison out of 999 for the Pirates. Justin Bohr, Eddie Encarnacion. Chris Davis. Oh, we got a hit. We got a hit. It is that guy. Rookies, power, spells, trouble. Hunter Renfroe? Yep. Hunter Renfroe, autograph number 2 for the Padres. San Diego getting a Hunter Renfroe Chronicles rookie auto. Ben Gamel, Rizzo, and Brian Dozier. There's another Posey. Chris Bryant, and that's Adam Frazier. This one out of $3.99. Pirates, Elvis Andrus, Davidson. Mr. Mantle, Goldschmidt, and a green Locane out of 199 for the Kansas City Royals. 25, is that what it is? Looks like 25. Is that 26? 26. 26 of 199. Bo Jackson, Jay Bruce. I think this should be okay, right? Yes. Gold standard. For the Yankees, Jordan Montgomery on card. Gold standard. Rookie patch auto. That is numbered 45 of 199. On card auto patch. Out of gold standard. Zimmerman, Cabrera, Longoria, Smoke. Last box, Mojo. Let's go. Let's go. Boop, boop. Posey. Ah, we got a Contenders auto. Contender. It's numbered. Hunter Renfroe out of Contenders. We got his Chronicles, his Spectra, and now his Contenders. 35 of 99 playoff ticket. Hunter Renfroe, rookie for the Padres. That is 3 Renfroe autos. Trey Turner, Solarte, Mickey Mantle. Padres killing it. Paul Goldschmidt, Anthony Rizzo. Cody, we got Cody Bellinger, rookie. 26 of 499. There it is for the Dodgers. Mr. Harper and Carpenter. Garrett Cole, Yu Darvish. Alex Bregman out of 299 for the Houston Astros, blue. Pujols, Joe Mauer. Miguel Sano, Gavin Cecchini. We got Franklin Barreto, pink circles. Purple pink circles. 96 of 99 for the Oakland Athletics. Baez, Trout, rookie of Gavin Cecchini. Manny Machado, Contenders auto, yep. I'm going to guess Carson Fulmer. Dang, I'm good. Carson Fulmer, rookie ticket auto for the Chicago White Sox. Rookie out of Contenders. McCutchen, Ripken, Arenado. I've not ever gotten Yoan Moncada's rookie ticket. That's one I never got. Every time I see that black background, I know it's the same guy. Joey Gallo. Franklin Barreto, Prism. Out of 999, Chris Sale. Boston, obviously. Not sure why it's not grabbing this one. There it goes. Out of 999. Altuve, Yadier Molina. We got Brian Dozier, rookie of Hunter Dozier. Justin Bour out of 999 for the Miami Marlins. Chris Bryant and Max Scherzer. We got a hit. Raleigh Fingers, Milwaukee Brewers, 11 of 299. What does it say? Charter member of the 300 Save Club, Raleigh Fingers. There it is, 11 of 299. That's got to be, yep, game used. Game used on Raleigh. Cespedes, Betts, Kluber, Freeman. Mr. Mark Reynolds, Amir Garrett, rated rookie. Paul DeJong out of 399. Adam Jones, Robbie Ray. Just give me a last hit. Nope, saving it. Sandberg, Longoria. For the Nationals, Bryce Harper, 179 of 399 for the Nationals. Dickerson and Fowler. Gonna guess that's the hit, so try and save it for last. It could be a skinny hit though. Yep, and it is actually. It's a redemption. So this is just a swatch. No, that's a hit too. Okay, we got two hits. Oh no, this is a gold standard card, 30 of 269. Andrew McCutchen, gold standard.
And this Contenders basketball, if you want to say you want to.
If you can fit it. Greinke, Bautista, Smoke, and Joey Votto. Alright, we got redemption. Verlander, Chris Davis. There it is. We got Nolan Ryan holding it. Jason Kipnis. So we're going to slow roll it. 2017 Panini Chronicles. John Ross Signature Series. There's no way there's going to be another Rugden Odor, right? 36? No. That's different, right? No, it's not. It's the same. Rugden Odor! Number 2, we got 3 Hunter Renfroes and 2 Rugden Odors. It's a little strange on the allocation. 2 for Texas. That was the weirdest allocation and breaking event I think I've ever had.